Raichal Ranjith. I am studying in class 5. Today I am going to talk about the book Charlie and Chocolate Factory, written by one of the most popular British authors, Roald Dahl. Do you like chocolates? Do you like to go to a chocolate factory? When you start reading this book, you will finish it within 3 days because this book is so absorbing, elaborate, fantastic and full of moral lessons. The main character, our hero of the story, is Charlie Bucket, a poor boy who lives in a small house on the outskirts of the town with 6 adults. Every day Charlie walks past the chocolate factory owned by an eccentric chocolate maker, Willy Wonka, who has closed this mysterious factory to the world. One day Wonka announces a private tour to his factory for those who get the golden ticket hidden inside one of his chocolate bars. Only 5 children can get into the factory. When the tour is finished, they will receive a lifetime supply of chocolates and candies. Would Charlie be one of those 5 kids? Who would win a day tour to the chocolate factory? A visit to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory is nothing less than a dream come true for any child in the world. In this story, the 5 lucky winners are Augustus Gloop, Veruca Salt, Violet, Mighty, and our hero, the 5th winner, is Charlie Bucket. Inside of the chocolate factory is full of magical, and the workers are fun-loving dwarves hailing from Loompa Land. They are the main workers of Willy Wonka's factory. The first 4 winners, Augustus, Veruca, Violet, Mighty, behave very badly. Each bad child makes his or her exit. The Oompa Loompas sing moralizing songs. That's very interesting. You know what happened to the first 4 kids? Augustus falls into the pool of chocolates. Violet is addicted to chewing gum and turns blue color. Veruca is thrown into the garbage by squirrels. Mike, he is very rude TV addict and is become shrunk into TV size. Charlie, our hero, is the last remaining child and wins the prize. Wonka invited Charlie and his family to come and live with him in the factory. At the end of the story, Charlie gives us a wonderful message that the most precious thing in the world is family and love. The fascination of the reader, that is the greatest achievement of an author. Hats off to Roald Dahl. I will definitely recommend this book for everyone. Have a nice time reading it. Thank you and bye-bye.